A one-dimensional array, often referred to as a single-dimensional array, comprises only one subscript or dimension. Essentially, it represents a list of variables of the same data type. This type of array can take the form of either one row with multiple columns or multiple rows with one column. A practical example would be the representation of a student's marks in 5 subjects, demonstrating the concept of a one-dimensional array. Example: while executing the mentioned line, the Java Virtual Machine (JVM) will generate 5 distinct memory blocks at different locations, each representing marks 0, marks 1, marks 2, marks 3, and marks 4. Alternatively, we can establish a one-dimensional array by initially declaring the array and subsequently allocating memory using the new keyword. Let's look at Java program implementing one-dimensional array. In the above example, it has only one row and multiple columns. Hence this is a one-dimensional array. See you again. Thank you.